So, let's move on. So, nandito na kami banda sa may, I do not know. Pero sana kalahati na to ng napanik namin. So, nakakata kami ng squirrel. So, nagtatago siya. So, yan po ang itsura dito. Of course, kasi nga mountain, no? Mountainous. So, ano ba? Shh! Ano ka ba? So, yan yung mga halaman, no? Mahal-mahal yan. Tapos, nandito lang sa gubat nila. Yan. Ah. Okay. Yan. Hindi stop kami. Kasi nga, kapagod ah. So, yan. Yan yung mga stairs niya. Yan.
Infinity. Bravo. What?
So, ayan, badyang. So, may badyang. Kanina may puro photos, no? Yan. So, hindi lang. So, yung iba, dun sila sa kabila. Yan. Yung isang way doon. But, it's 89 minutes here, 27 according to the directions that you want to go. It says from the left it's 27 minutes and the other side to the right it's 89 minutes. So we were trying our best. Let's just stop there for a while so we could catch our breath. I have this plant in our house. That one. Tapos dito. Ayan lang siya. No? Talagang bigay lang talaga siya ng nature tapos binibenta nila ng mahal. Okay. Let's just pause for a while. And dun kami galing. So, what can you say, babe?
Good workout.
At least hindi umaarap.
Video. Ah.
So, this is from Perak Mountain.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
Papa ay nagpapahinga.
I like you. I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine. I'm so late. You sip wine. I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Ito yung puno. Sa gitna. And Papa. Okay. So, he's really sweating. Yan, kapag ilamos naman siya.
tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great.
Ayan na nga, pasintabi sa hair ng lola nyo. Pawis na pawis. So, ayan po yung Taipei 101. Nandito na kami. Here. Ito lang kinaya ng powers talaga namin. So, may mga kagat ako ng lamok, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. May kagat ako. May dala akong off pero naiwan ko siya. So, ayan. Dito lang kami. Ito lang yung kinakaya ng powers talaga. So, pawis na. May baon damit. Mamaya na lang siguro kami. Mag-change ng outfit. Yan. At least, narating namin ito. Kasi yung isa, 78 minutes pa daw. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko na kaya to. Hanggang dito lang talaga yung kaya ng lola nyo. Dito lang talaga tayo. So, pahinga muna kami ni Papa. Do alam naman namin na pagbaba namin mas madali. Pero nakakatakot, no? Very steep yung stairs niya. But, watching the 101, no? Very fulfilling. Yan. So, inom muna ako. Binigyan niya ako ng gamot. Thank you. Binigyan niya ako ng gamot for my bites. She's very nice. Yan. So, ano lang kami sa well. Yan, wala siyang hangin. But thank God there's no sun. It's makulimlim lang talaga. Kanina it's gloomy in the morning. But thank God there's no rain. There's no sun, there's no rain. Yan. So, yun talaga.
Can't wait, a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.